So, one of the last pieces that we want to do in our reports is the recommendations. And these can be so tricky to write, but AI makes it really, really easy. So, in my recommendations prompt, what I've done is I've gotten really specific about how I want the AI to organize my recommendations and the neuro-affirming language that I want it to use. And I've attached a um, recommendations bank. So if you have a bank where you have been, or a spreadsheet where you've been keeping all of your recommendations, you can upload that to Bastion and it's going to use that to create your recommendations. You can also ask it to extend beyond that knowledge for research backed neurodiversity affirming recommendations to give you some ideas to help you brainstorm what recommendations are going to go in this report. So I'm going to click on my recommendations prompt, and then I'm going to add that report for Dana Smith. That is a report that doesn't yet have a summary of recommendations. It just has the data. And it's going to look through that report and it's going to compare it to the document that I have and create some great recommendations for home, for school, for Dana's participation in the community. And again, this is help brainstorming. I want to show you one other thing on the explainingbrains.com/AI website. If you scroll down just a little, you'll find something that says affirming recommendations. And this is a little app that uses the same spreadsheet. It uses my recommendations bank. So you can access that by just typing in the child's diagnosis, their age level, some of the concerns, finishing tasks, and a little bit about them, loves soccer. And then you can figure out or tell it which types of recommendations you want, and it will help you brainstorm those recommendations. So it gives you a few recommendations for each category that are neurodiversity affirming, that are research based, and then you can organize them from there. So if I want to move something to the primary recommendations, these are the ones I definitely want to make sure that the school does or that they do at home. And then I can copy all of them and paste them into my report, and it will do that in a really nicely organized way. All right. There's your recommendation section.